Django transactions atomic_requests. I'm really unclear how atomic requests are set in Django. When atomic_request is set to true in the DB settings, does that mean that all views now run in a transaction? What if I want only certain views to be run in a transaction? Do I then need to explicitly define all the others that are not run in a transaction with a transaction.non_atomic_request decorator?
When atomic_requests is set to true in the DB settings, does that mean that all views now run in a transaction? Yes. From the docs. Before calling a view function, Django starts a transaction. If the response is produced without problems, Django commits the transaction. If the view produces an exception, Django rolls back the transaction. Do I then need to explicitly define all the others that are not run in a transaction with a transaction.non_atomic_requests decorator? Yes. When atomic_requests is enabled, it's still possible to prevent views from running in a transaction. The non_atomic_requests decorator will negate the effect of atomic_requests for a given view. Once you're at the point of deciding on a case-by-case basis where transactions should be used, though, I prefer to not use atomic_requests and just use transaction.atomic, whether as a decorator or a context manager, where appropriate. Here's an example from the documentation.
Yes, if atomic_request column true is set in settings.py, all views run in a transaction. Yes, if at transaction.non_atomic_request decorator is set to a view, the view doesn't run in a transaction even if atomic_request column true is set in settings.py. In addition, Django admin is run in a transaction by default whether or not atomic_request column true is set in settings.py.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.